Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off push notification of Fundraiser and Crises on Facebook Lite. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Facebook Lite app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then scroll until you find fundraisers and crises. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of push. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn off push notification of fundraisers and crises on Facebook Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.